Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the footer copyright text. So let me show you. So you can see, let's remove the bar first and let's go at the very bottom, and you can see this is showing my theme. Therefore I have bio about my theme. So what I'm going to do, by basically I will go to the Shopify, and then first of all I will try one way, which is go to the very bottom, click here, and then scroll down, and then you can see the text there might have. So it's not showing this text, but maybe we have to change this from the Shopify code changing. Okay, so how you can do that? So you have to go to the Shopify dashboard, then click the three dot and click the edit theme content, and then you can see powered by. Okay, so let's copy the powered by. We have to find the exact powered by. So I copy the exact same text. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, I will filter it. Okay, you can see the powered by here showing. So basically what I'm gonna do, I will remove that. Okay, I'm gonna remove that. I will place the enter. Okay, so if I go to my store, and then I should refresh again to check that it's gone or not. Okay, you can see I have to preview again from here. Okay, let's see the preview currently. So let's go very bottom. I believe that it should remove. You can see currently still existing. Okay, so so let's try to remove that from the my store. Okay, so let's copy that my store my store. Let's try to find that. Currently it's not showing. So first of all I have to go to the footer. Okay, so you can see this. So as I showed before, so this way exactly you can remove, but this theme currently have a lot of functionality powered by Shopify. We can put like whatever text we want. Let's you can see powered by Shopify. You can see the shop will be powered by Shopify. If I click here, let's enter something, and then let's go, and then let's preview again, and whenever it will be saved, then I believe that it should remove, but sometimes it makes some problem. But you can see still showing. So for that maybe we have to talk with the Shopify support team or with the theme support team. Sometimes it's showing here and sometimes it's not sure. Okay, and also you can try different way. You have a lot of way you can try. We have to go to customization, go to the settings, and try to find out the option on over here. Okay, theme style, not here, and the theme license, I put it the license logo, typography, you have to find from here. Okay, so theme style, theme CSS, and also we can remove another way. So let me go to the store, let's click inspect, and let's select that first. Let's click here and let's select that. Okay, so let's select this text. So I'm gonna select the text, just only this text. Okay, yeah, I have selected it. So I'm gonna click the plus icon, and then I will remove the display menu, and you can see these tags have gone. So both way you can do that. So right now I'm gonna copy this tag code on the Shopify settings, and then go to the CSS and paste the code. Okay, so now it will work. So let's click the save. Whenever you paste it, you have to click the save. Now let's go again, and let's go. You can see it showing here. So let's refresh it, and then we will see it will be removed from here. Okay, so you can see guys, that's have been removed. So the guys, that's the main thing. So I hope this video found helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in future what type of content you are looking for, let me know into the comment box. I will definitely try to content as you want. Okay, and most importantly, that's my agency website. So if you want, you can book a call with me. I will definitely help you to grow your business by creating professional Shopify dropshipping store or Shopify custom e-commerce store. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.